obviously, you know, people have been wondering if Bitcoin is going to go back up because it finally popped back into this zone that we've been talking about, right? This inversion fair value gap. I think this comes from the weekly time frame. Let me double check. All right, I've been calling out this zone, and I've been trying to tell people, you know, if you're like more of a day trader, this is the perfect time for you to get out before it continues to dump off, right? So I believe this maybe comes from the daily, but even right here, you guys can see this weekly fair value gap. It just pretty much popped back in here. Probably going to continue to go down. Yeah, this comes from the daily right here. Let me show y'all where this comes from. Where do this come from the daily? Maybe it comes from the monthly time frame. Let's check out the monthly, because I know I really only use higher time frames for crypto, right? So this comes from the monthly time frame. You guys can see this was a fair value gap, price broke below. So now this is going to simply be an inversion fair value gap, right? So we just touched the top of there, and now we're already starting to reject, right? So this is, you know, a good time to maybe get out of Bitcoin if you're not really holding it for the extremely long term, because I do think Bitcoin is going to pull back.